Yeah, it's me, your boy, Emilio, on the studio. Beat produced by Emilio. And the way to be everything to everyone. But would like to be something to someone. I want to hold your hand, look into your eye, and do everything that you want to say to me. Forever, not the world under the place. Where to love or go, where to love, take them there. Down in the burning sun, and down in the cooling mood, to show me my way. Just want you to hold me whenever I crumble. Hold me tight, keep me longer, love me harder, and we'll be yours forever. If I had my life to live over again, I will find you sooner, so that I will love you longer. When someone talk about love, I think about you. I love your smile, I love the way you make me smile. Don't promise me the moon or the stars. Just promise me that you will stay under there with me forever. Sometimes you have to stop thinking so much and go where your heart take you to. Make me happy doesn't require a lot of effort. Actually, your presence is enough. Love me, love me. Let me love you, if not for the rest of your life, yeah, for the rest of mine. Everyone tells me I deserve better, but I don't. But I don't. I want you. Your presence in my life break me smile. I love trust within my heart. Someday the page of my life ends. I know that you will be one of it, most beautiful chapter. Yeah. 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 Apostle. Ciao amigo. Ciao amigo. Mi dispiace. Mi dispiace. Apostle. 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 Ciao amigo. Ciao amigo. Apostle. Apostle.